At first glance, it's hard to imagine how appliance cooks 500 different things and there is a secret sauce to it. But it's pretty simple. Wait a second.
If you're new here, Appliance is an AI cooking assistant tool and it helps you level up your day-to-day cooking experience. There are three parts to Appliance: touchscreen, smart cooking jar, and weighing screen. Let's start with the touchscreen. Touchscreen is the place where all the recipes are available. Whereas the jar does most of the cooking, comes with a heating coil and 14 different plate speeds. And weighing scale, well, it weighs things.
All of this hardware comes together to cook your food, and recipes play the role of algorithm deciding the outcome. Precise temperature control, seamless calibration, and interface so intuitive that you never worry about what's for dinner.
You're probably wondering, will the food taste good? Well, the answer is yes, and it's the magic of precise cooking. Well, you have seen precise cooking in action at restaurants. Chefs have been honing their techniques and measurements, so every time they are cooking, it is consistent. This is what we do at Appliance. Over tens and thousands of cooking sessions, we have standardized and predefined algorithm to cook every ingredient and recipe. Your food will taste good and always remain consistent, whether you make it the first time or the 100th. Having an AI integration means that it learns your cooking signature over a period of time. And the more you cook, the better it becomes. You could be cooking something new all year round. We add new recipes every Friday and also make variations and improve our existing recipes. 500 days of Appliance.
But what if your food doesn't taste right, or you're scared that you might mess up in the kitchen? Well, you aren't alone, and we got you covered. A thriving community of 700 owners share the same experience as you do, and there's a team at Appliance ready to help you out with any query, whether through a quick text or a call. Some of the owners have been cooking for over a year now. Others are pro home chef, having a blast with their AI cooking assistant. They can help you out of any pickle and might teach you some new things as well. Now that you're armed with a supportive community and Appliance at your hand, let's dive into the delicious adventure of the week. We have spent years and thousands of cooking sessions to build this appliance for India. So stop eating boring food and cook whenever and whatever you want. If you want to see it in action, check out one of our regional recipe videos, or you can look at customer testimonial videos and see how appliance has changed their lives.